So apparently you hate the grid. Well, what else is new? Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back once again taking a look at how to get rid of the grid in Blender. I've had a couple people ask me this before in the past, and I kind of just was like, hey, just do this. But I figured I might as well make a video on it since multiple people asked me. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you guys want to know, and you just haven't been asked. I don't know. I don't know. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. It's very simple, very easy to do. So you can go up to the top right here, and you can hit this little viewport overlays drop down. You're going to go ahead and uncheck axes, X and Y, and then uncheck floor. And as you can see, the grid is now gone. It's that simple. It's that easy, guys. It's craziness. Now, if you want to go ahead and get rid of everything in general, you don't want any of this stuff being visible, you just hit this little button altogether, show overlays. It gets rid of everything that is not going to be visible when you render your scene. So if we add in a monkey, obviously the monkey's going to be visible in the scene, but your grid floor and your camera and your lamp is not going to be. So that is how you get rid of the grid and all overlays pretty much. So floor and X and Y, and that is literally how you do it. That's how you do it, guys. All the people that's been asking me, that's how you do it right there. Boom. Super easy, super quick. Very nice. So, hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed today's tutorial. I will see you in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.